Good day, beautiful soul family, and welcome back to Miracles Beneath the Surface. And today, this is just a super quick message. I do have a message that I will be delivering, but still working on that. I just want to give this message out because, as brought out from the last message, where there are hitchhikers, and the message before probably, and there are hitchhikers, and there may be people who are not ready to believe that based on someone else saying it. So this was the video that my sons had showed me, and I was able to find it. Now, I don't have any rights upon this. This is from a TikToker called paranoid_TikToker, okay? And it's a length of 34.9 seconds, okay? And it's just to show you that there are hitchhikers. There's a lot of things going on in the spiritual plane. And also, you know, this is why we have to stay prayed up. The Bible says pray consistently. And this is why, this is just one of the reasons, okay? This is one of the reasons why we should pray consistently. Okay, beautiful soul family, so check this out and stay tuned to the next message. God bless and have a wonderful day. Beautiful soul family, if you have enjoyed today's message, I am so thankful that it has reached your heart, which is my audience. Beautiful soul family, I'll also ask that you please, if you haven't done already, subscribe, hit the like button, and share this message. I'm sure there are other people out there who just need an encouragement to go on through the rest of their day, or wherever they're finding themselves in their life. Sometimes, we go through forks in the road, and it's usually that kind word, that message of enlightenment even, that helps us to make wise decisions before we move forward. I also encourage you to donate. Please, I have the information in the description box, but I also have it right here. Thank you so much, and have a beautiful and wonderful day. God bless.